Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner that says settings. It's going to take us to our settings. While we're here, we're going to select account. So as you can see, the second option we have here is two-step verification. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're gonna click on turn on. So now you have to create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. So let's go again with 000. Next, we're gonna confirm it again. And you can add your email address. So if you forget your PIN, so you can reset it. So we're gonna go ahead and skip this. But if you're forgetful and you're scared that you might forget it because you won't be able to access your WhatsApp, you should add your email. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!